If 3 sine square x plus 5 cos x equals 1, determine the general solution of the equation for negative 360 degrees less than x less than 360 degrees. Solution. Observe the cos x term in the equation. We can express 3 sine square x in terms of cos x using the square identity. 3, 1 minus cos square x, plus 5 cos x equals 1. Expanding the brackets. Subtracting both sides of the equation by 1. Negative 3 cos square x plus 5 cos x plus 2 equals 0. This equation is now a quadratic equation of the form ay square plus by plus c equals 0. We can factorize this equation as 3 cos x plus 1 negative cos x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, 3 cos x plus 1 equals 0, or negative cos x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, 3 cos x equals negative 1, or negative cos x equals negative 2. Therefore, cos x equals negative 1 over 3, or cos x equals 2. Since cos x cannot be 2, we ignore this value. Therefore, cos x equals negative 1 over 3. Therefore, x is cos inverse of negative 1 over 3, equals negative 109,471 degrees. General solution. Negative 109,471 degrees plus k times 360, k element of z, or 109,471 degrees plus k times 360, k element of z. Solutions in the interval negative 360 degrees, 360 degrees can be obtained by substituting k equals 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and so on. So, the values of x satisfying the given equation in the interval are negative 109,471 degrees, 109,471 degrees, 250,529 degrees, and negative 250,529 degrees.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you, and let the math finally start mathing.